and this was the support level which got broken. So I don't want to be involved no more, you know. I want to be on the move. So if the market starts moving, I want to be in that move, ride that wave. Yo, what's good? What's good? What's good, team? I hope you all having a good time, and I hope you all had a profitable trading week. Because this week was pretty good. We took like 7 trades, and we only lost 2, so 5 wins was pretty nice. I made around something between 8 and 9% return. And for everybody who was in the Telegram channel, my free public Telegram channel, for all of them, I'm sure if they followed the trades on gold that I shared, they made some money as well. Yeah. So if you're not in the public channel, my Telegram channel, make sure to check the link in the description. Click the link, join the group, and yeah, learn from what I do, like in this video. But for now, let me share my phone screen real quick. Just want to show you the trades from this week. We made this was last week, so this week was around 500 grand, which is 8 to 9%. The account is at nearly 6.7 million, nearly. Yeah, so this is the account. So with 1 win, loss, win, win, loss, win, win. Perfect. So now so what I do in this video is I want to show you exactly how I enter the trades, how I manage the trades on the way, and what I was thinking. Like, I always let the market tell me what to do. I'm just reading the candlesticks and the structure, and then I make my decisions based on that. And in this video I'm gonna go over a couple of trades. I mean, in the last video I was talking about some trades that I took this week, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the other trades that I took this week. So let's start with this one over here. Well, I took this trade because we have a clear double bottom over here and a break of structure, and on top of that we are at around 1900 level, which is a significant level. 1900 level on gold is an even number, and the banks like to play around that area. So I placed my stop below the structure, below the double bottom, and then I was looking what's going on. But this trade has not developed that well. I think this was the last trade that I took on Friday, and I wanted to play basketball. Like, I wanted to get out, play some basketball, and then I just saw that the price getting rejected on the way to the top. So selling pressure is pulling the market down, and then I was exiting this trade manually because I didn't want it to take an L on the Friday. And we already had a big push down, but I was like, maybe because we had NFP as well, I was like, maybe they just wanted to fuck some buyers up because they already did a couple of moves over here, fake breakouts, and then they came down pretty violently for the buyers. And I was just waiting for the price to come here because I expected it to come there, because this is a very significant level. And I want to get around in this area where as soon as I get a confirmation. The confirmation was this double bottom with a break of structure over here. And then I wanted to trade this thing. But unfortunately, the market was not moving strong enough in my eyes. Market was pulling down from the selling pressure. And then I was getting out. And that's it for the Friday trade. That's all I did on Friday, I think. And yeah, let me show you another one. This is another trade that I took. Let's see what happened. So the reason I entered this trade was because we have a clear breakout on the 1 hour chart. I mean, we had this resistance over here, and then the market break out, and I was like, okay, let's get in. But unfortunately this trade was not working out. I mean, you see how I set my target around in this area here, this clear resistance. I was like, maybe we can get the push, but I was rushing it. I was too early, guys. I mean, check it out. We had this bearish structure, clear support level over here, break of structure. You see this? Let me show you again. So we had this clear support level plus the break of structure over here. Price came down again, double bottom, and I expected the market to move, but it didn't move. It stopped me out, unfortunately. I was too early on that move, so I got stopped out and lost around 60 grand, which was around 1%, a little bit less than 1%, but I lost around 1% on that trade. And then I was waiting for another opportunity to get in again, and this is what I did. So this is what happened, guys. See, look, we had this bearish structure, boom, price came down. This is the lower high, so the market came down again, didn't make a lower low. So at this point over here, the structure is clearly broken, and we have this double bottom over here as well. So I expected the market to move up, and so I bought this thing. And so let's see what happened. Market came down again a little bit, and I think I skated up a little bit. No, the market sorry, the market just started to move. Market just started to move slowly, but pretty steady. So I skate up again, like I saw this thing is moving, so let's skate the position size up. Then I marked up a significant level where the price could come back. So yeah, if the market would have dropped around in this area, I think I would have scaled in some more and see what's going on. But the market kept flying. It kept flying. But then I was like, okay, maybe now it wants to come back to that level, and maybe this stop is too tight. Maybe it will make this stop hunt move. So I think I'll move the stop below this one again, just to be sure. But as soon as I see that the market is now clearly pushing up, like you see this nice breakout, and I was scaling in again, that was the point where I was tightening my stop. So I started to move my stop below this low. Then I made this trend line over here, and then I was taking some money off the table, because you will see this right now. The market was moving sideways for a while. You see this? The market was moving sideways, didn't start to push. The market hit the trend line, and it was breaking the trend line. So in my eyes, I was like, okay, let's take some positions out, bank some profits. And then I was tightening the stop because it didn't took off, and I didn't want to be involved. So this was the point where I was letting the market stop me out. As you can see, the trend line is clearly broken. Market was consolidating, didn't got anywhere, and this was the support level which got broken. So I don't want to be involved no more, you know. I want to be on the move. So if the market starts moving, I want to be in that move, ride that wave. But as soon as I see that the market is breaking the structure, it wants to move in the other direction, and the market is the other side, the opposite side of the market is getting in control of the market, then I want to be then I didn't want to be involved no more. Okay, So let's check the third video that I recorded. I think this was one of the real quick trades. This was crazy. Like I was sending the signal because it was the same thing, guys. I mean, we had this double bottom over here, break of structure, and I was stepping into the game like basic shit, you know. And then the market was flying. Like, look at that. Look at that. The market is just moving like boom, boom, boom. Pretty heavy. And then it started to consolidating a little bit. I was like, okay, cool. So if it moves up, yeah, we can move the stop a little bit. I was like, okay, let's take the risk off the table. I was like, damn, if this thing moves so fast, we have to secure profits, because if it goes that fast, it will likely to come back like pretty heavy, because sellers are going to sell real quick. And so I moved my stop in profits. I was scaling in, as you can see, the market was breaking out a little bit, and I was scaling in again because I thought we're gonna get a big move. But as soon as I scaled in, I moved the stop tighter. And then let's see what happened. I'm pretty sure we got stopped out. The market was moving nearly to the 1900 level. So the 1900 is the big figure number, the even number, and this is where the seller's stepping into the game. So I could have banked profits over here, but I was like, you never know. Like, you have to give the market a chance to fill your pocket with a big move. It can break out to that above that level and just keep flying. So yeah, that's why I just tightened my stop. No risk at all. Like, yeah, I think I made like around 46,000 on that trade, which is great. And yeah, market stopped me out. And the market later on, it came back down to that zone. Like, it really was moving to the big figure number, and then it came down violently back to the origin. So yeah, this is what happened last week, guys. And for all of you who are not in the inner circle yet, guys, you really need to check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course, because you're gonna learn all the concepts in here. Plus you have the community of traders that are sharing ideas and helping each other out in the group chat. We are around 700 or 800 people over there who are trading together and yeah, sharing ideas and helping each other out. And yeah, you can check a couple of student feedbacks that we have and all that stuff. Like, yeah, really check it out, guys. Make sure to like the video if you find this helpful, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, and drop a comment below that video. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I hope this was helpful, and next week we're gonna smash it big. And yeah, one more information, I'm running a giveaway right now, and if you see this today, this video, tomorrow is the announcement of the winners. Check my Telegram channel, you will find the information about the giveaway in there. So check the links in the description, join the chat with me. Like, you can drop me private message if you need help. I'm gonna answer you. Sometimes I need some time to answer you. Need to have some patience with me, but I always gonna answer you personally. So yeah, if you have any questions or want some information, just drop me a message. I have a lot of valuable information that I can share with you to get your trading game on the next level. All right, yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was good. I wish you great weekend, rest of the weekend. I'm gonna eat some Asian food today with a lot of vegetables. Yeah, I love vegetables, man. You're in these times, guys, you really need to be healthy. Like, you really need to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. and stay on your grind. Yeah. Peace out, guys. Peace out. Every time I, my body, you know.